In this video, we're going to walk through the best methods for cleaning a Blackstone griddle. Keeping your griddle clean is essential for maintaining its performance, preventing rust, and ensuring that every meal cooked on it tastes great. Let's go through the steps to keep your Blackstone griddle in top shape. A dirty Blackstone griddle can lead to stuck-on food, uneven heating, and even rust over time. Built-up grease and food particles can impact the flavor of the meals you prepare, and may create an unhygienic cooking surface. Regular cleaning ensures that your griddle stays in peak condition, providing you with consistently great results. To clean your Blackstone griddle properly, gather the following supplies: a griddle scraper, a grill brush, paper towels or a cloth, warm water, mild dish soap, and some oil for seasoning after cleaning. You may also want to have a pumice grill stone handy for tackling tougher, stuck-on residues. Before you start cleaning, let the griddle cool down slightly but keep it warm. This helps to loosen up any remaining grease and food debris. Remove as much loose food as possible using a griddle scraper, being careful not to scratch the surface. Pour some warm water onto the griddle surface. If there's stubborn food residue, use hot water, which helps to loosen the stuck bits. Use a grill brush or pumice grill stone to scrub the surface thoroughly. Focus on areas with stuck-on food and ensure you scrub in circular motions for effective cleaning. Wipe down the griddle with a cloth or paper towels to soak up the dirty water and loosened food particles. If necessary, pour more water and continue to wipe until the surface is clean. Make sure to remove all residues to avoid a buildup that could affect the taste of future meals. After cleaning, it's important to season your Blackstone griddle to prevent rust and maintain a non-stick surface. Once the griddle is dry, apply a thin layer of oil, such as vegetable or flaxseed oil, over the entire surface. Use a cloth or paper towel to spread the oil evenly, and then heat the griddle until the oil starts to smoke slightly. This process helps create a protective layer on the griddle's surface. Allow the griddle to cool down after seasoning, and store it in a dry place or cover it with a griddle cover to protect it from moisture. Proper storage helps to prevent rust and keeps your griddle in great condition between uses. Cleaning your Blackstone griddle regularly is key to maintaining its quality and ensuring a great cooking experience every time. By following these steps, you'll keep your griddle clean, seasoned, and ready for your next delicious meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and griddle maintenance guides. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!